Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best gentle skincare is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your daughter's developing skin, especially during those crucial preteen years when hormonal changes can start to affect complexion. Finding the right products that are effective yet mild is key to establishing healthy skincare habits that will last a lifetime, ensuring her skin stays clear, happy, and protected as she navigates this exciting stage of growth and self-discovery. Number 5. Epielle Character Face Mask Mystical Safari 6-Pack. Discover the Epielle Mystical Safari Face Mask 6-Pack. It's a fun and effective way to achieve glowing skin. Experience the power of Korean skincare with these unique character masks. They bring the spa experience right to your home. Looking for a unique party favor or gift? These masks are perfect for spa parties, Mother's Day, birthdays, or any self-care occasion. Enjoy a playful masking session while nourishing your skin. Get ready for a truly revitalizing experience. Treat yourself to a moment of fun and pampering. These masks make self-care an adventure. Embark on a skincare journey with the Mystical Safari collection. Your skin will thank you for this wild treat. What we like? Looking for a fun way to introduce skincare? These masks bring excitement with their playful designs. If you're planning a spa party or need a unique gift, these are a fantastic choice for adding a touch of joy to self-care. What people say. The skincare in these masks seems to be pretty good. No irritation or reactions. Their skin looked dewy and hydrated. These face masks are hilarious and so fun. They look exactly as described and left out skin feeling soft. Great face masks. Great for sensitive skin. Number 4. E.L.F Skin Holy Hydration. Jet Set Hydration Kit. Introducing the Holy Hydration Jet Set Hydration Kit from E.L.F Skin. This travel-friendly set has everything you need to keep your skin hydrated on the go. It includes a face cleanser, balm, moisturizer, eye cream, and night cream. You can maintain your entire skincare routine no matter where your travels take you. Experience deep hydration with these essential skincare products. They are formulated to nourish and replenish your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Designed for your busy lifestyle, this kit is perfectly sized for travel. Easily slip it into your bag or carry-on for effortless skincare wherever you are. Feel good about your skincare choices. Our products are proudly vegan and cruelty-free, ensuring ethical beauty without compromise. With consistent use, you'll achieve a healthy, radiant complexion. Enjoy the benefits of well-hydrated skin that looks and feels its best. What we like? Need a skincare solution on the go? This set offers a full routine in convenient sizes. If you travel often or want to try a complete hydrating system without committing to full sizes, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This set leaves my skin feeling really soft, fresh, and super hydrated. Everything feels light, clean, and really moisturizing without being heavy. It's hydrating, has very light fragrance, feels really good on the skin. I also purchased some E.L.F tinted moisturizer a while ago that never sat well on my skin until I used the cool responding products in this set. Now it sits perfectly without settling into my fine lines. The E.L.F skincare kit is amazing for everyday use. The products are gentle, absorb quickly, and leave skin feeling fresh and hydrated. It has everything you need: cleanser, toner, serum, and moisturizer, without breaking the bank. Perfect for a simple, effective routine. Number 3. Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Mask. Experience a deep pore cleanse in just 10 minutes. This mask draws out impurities and excess oil, leaving your skin feeling refined. Target excess oil and buildup for visibly smaller pores. It's perfect for achieving a clearer, more refined complexion, especially for oily or combination skin. Infused with potent vitamin C, this formula helps to even out skin tone and boost radiance. Get ready for a healthy, glowing complexion. Achieve an even and mess-free application with the included soft brush. It makes your at-home spa routine a breeze. Crafted with Australian pink clay, this vegan and cruelty-free mask is formulated without harsh chemicals. Enjoy clean beauty suitable for all skin types. What we like? Struggling with visible pores and impurities? This mask uses Australian pink clay to deeply cleanse and refine. If you have oily or combination skin and desire a clearer, smoother complexion, this detoxifying treatment with its handy applicator is ideal. What people say. This mask makes my face feel very firm after using it, as well as cleans my pores out so incredibly well. The mask is very clean. The clay and ingredients that are in this mask are on the clean and natural side and made in Australia. This is meant to draw out the impurities and tighten your pores while invigorate a dull complexion and boosts a radiant look in your skin. Number 2. ZealSea 7-Day Variety Facial Sheet Mask Set. Unveil radiant skin with our 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set. Designed for deep hydration, it's your daily dose of self-care. Experience intense moisture that leaves your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. It's perfect for achieving that healthy glow. Make skincare a moment of joy. This set is ideal for your personal pampering routine, anytime you need it. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This variety set is a wonderful surprise for birthdays, parties, or just because. Formulated to be safe for all skin types, including teens and kids. Enjoy a gentle yet effective skincare experience. Create special moments with loved ones. This set is perfect for shared self-care sessions and family fun. What we like. Want to explore different skincare benefits daily? This set provides a week's worth of diverse sheet masks for hydration and glow. If you enjoy variety in your routine or are looking for a safe, hydrating option for teens and family, this is a great daily treat. What people say. We have used 3 so far and we have not experienced any breakouts or irritation to the skin. The smell so far has been very nice and delightful. The packaging was cute and girly. Number 1. Bliss Mighty Marshmallow Plus Vitamin C Whipped Mask. Introducing a revolutionary whipped mask designed to brighten and deeply hydrate your skin. Experience a radiant complexion like never before. Infused with the soothing properties of marshmallow root, this mask calms and nourishes your skin. It helps to create a soft, supple feel. Harness the brightening power of our vitamin C blend. This potent ingredient works to even out skin tone and boost radiance. Formulated with zinc PCA and olive leaf extract, it actively works to improve skin health. These ingredients help to refine and protect your complexion. Enjoy the luxurious, lightweight whipped texture that glides effortlessly onto your skin. It absorbs quickly, leaving no heavy residue. Incorporate this mask into your routine for a daily dose of radiance and hydration. Achieve a visibly brighter and healthier looking glow. What we like. Seeking a mask that brightens and hydrates with a unique feel? This whipped formula combines marshmallow root and vitamin C for a radiant boost. If you love a luxurious texture and want to achieve a brighter, more hydrated look, this mask offers a delightful experience. What people say. The texture and consistency of this face mask is divine. It has a cool, smooth, whipped, fluffy feel, and it does look like pink marshmallow fluff. But it's not sticky in any way. It glides across the skin and dries down without stripping skin of moisture. It has a soft, clean, ingredient smell to it, not perfumey at all. It has a lot of natural ingredients from plants, and you can smell that. The pumpkin powerhouse has a perfect granule size to exfoliate well without shredding my skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.